This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Kensier. People fall in love with this community because of the abundant water views, and people fall in love with this floor plan because its meandering footprint feels more like a single-family home. This seller's relocation is your opportunity to live in this impeccably maintained, turnkey furnished home in the beautiful Harbour Isle community filled with grounds and amenities that provide the feel of year-round vacation. This 3-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2-car garage, block construction, LEED certified coach home with elevator also has an office, loft area and bonus sunroom. Plan on enjoying many sunset views over the lake and/or intercoastal from the rear west-facing windows. There are loads of MINTO builder and homeowner updates such as high ceilings with 8-foot doors, PGT impact windows, elevator, engineered wood and crown molding, just to name a few. Some of the home's more recent updates are to the kitchen, which include light fixtures, quartz counters, sink/faucet, backsplash, and most appliances. If you like to entertain, this open floor plan provides plenty of dining options. The formal dining area has the added bonus of a door which lead to one of 2 balcony areas. Back inside, take time to notice the newer quality furnishings that come with the home. As you wander into owner's retreat, you'll find the same beautiful water views. Both closets are equipped with organizers, and in the ensuite you'll find more updates. As you make your way towards the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms, you will appreciate the privacy this home affords with the separation of space. Guests staying in the 2nd bedroom even enjoy their own bath ensuite, and both bedrooms offer a view of green space/park area. If you are a wine lover, you'll find a nice built-in the retreat/loft equipped West/2 wine refrigerators. If that isn't enough, there is another built-in with a beverage cooler in the office. Harbour Isle's amenity center. The beach club includes a 4,200 square feet fitness center, heated resort-style pool, sky bar restaurant, even some live music, private beach, kayak launch to intercoastal, classes, groups, and more. Other amenities include 3 more pools, walking trails, grill areas and playground. Harbour Isle is located just across bridge from Anna Maria Island's white sandy beaches and abundant restaurants. Boaters should check out the 2019 built Safe Harbor Pier 77 Marina, which is located just outside the entrance and offers both wet and state-of-the-art dry storage. Also outside the gate is a restaurant and Compass Hotel by Margaritaville. If you enjoy being outside in nature, be sure to check out the 487-acre Robinson Preserve, which offers kayak and paddleboat rentals in addition to an array of other things like trail walking, fishing, biking, to name a few. For more information, review the details below.